Greetings everybody, welcome to a new episode. Day up on the farm again, special guest, Great Owl.
Blessing, man. Once again we are here, I will give thanks. Yeah. Second time again to learn something new. I mean, farming is a gift if you can really muster up the strength to kind of get out and do it. So here we are once again, and yeah, let's see what becomes of the day. Like what new can I learn? My belief is that we're gonna be forced into farming by the globalists anyway. Say if you don't understand by having such, gift of land, well, you can learn by the same measure that we are all kind of learning on the internet, on this channel. So, yeah. So Brother Singh is going to show me another aspect of dealing with yams today. Because in the last episode, I was kind of learning about preparing the heads and then getting them into the mound. I think today we're going to learn how to stick the mound, like you see. So like for the vine when they're growing up, to kind of go on the sticks and to get the sticks in the right way, so to speak.
Yes, brother Great Owl. So right now we have some sticks right here that was used in the other farm over here, but the bottom break off.
Oh, okay.
So what we're gonna do is stake them, make a sharp tip.
Yeah, sure.
So when you're ready for jam it into the ground now, it's easier to go into the ground.
Makes sense.
You see like how this one stake. So we want to stake them.
And I guess most of them would be like sort of like this, right?
Yeah. So we want to make it into stakes.
Is that sort of like maybe it broke off during the time when you're kind of taking it out from the other mount?
Yeah. Because usually the part that is under the ground, so it always soak with water.
Oh.
It most likely rot and weak.
Okay.
So that's why when we take them out, it break off.
Alright.
And it better for we, because we get the better piece of the stick now.
Yes. And that goes back to the soil, right?
Yeah, man.
Kind of a continuous cycle of nutrient. I mean, there's a lot you can learn. And to be honest, as I'm growing up, I grew up in a natural environment, but my parents farmed and I helped. But it's not like we're doing any major farming, just like the gungus and the chochos, the bananas, plantains, but she farmed many things in her younger stage. What I'm saying is that food security is very important, and anything we can learn naturally towards food security, to me, is something that will be a benefit, And ultimately, we're equipping our next generation by equipping our present generation. Because if we're able to retain generational knowledge, right, I'm assuming we're able to preserve something that can benefit us for generations to come. I'm presuming.
Yeah, man. So we have a little spot up here, so we cut them easier,
Good job, good platform.
Yeah.
Okay. A pivoting point, that makes sense, right?
Yeah, man.
I mean, a lot of stuff of aerodynamism is being expressed by some simple activities sometimes. I guess you want a consistent flow so that when you're jamming it, it don't get obstructed by the flow of the earth. The earth have its, geothermic energies, and certain things is natural to the environment, but some things can be a little difficult if you don't engineer it with a little human activity.
True.
Something it makes me laugh. I know people make fun of so-called intellectual. I mean, people might call me intellectual or pseudo, but they always say intellectual try to find superlatives, to describe things, over-exaggerate. But I find that a descriptiveness in language isn't something that is offensive or abrasive. Sometimes it shows up that a person might not want to study language. What does it have to do with anything? Well, language is the means by which you use to communicate. So even you understanding what I'm doing, apart from sight, is translated in language, right? So let's look at our language arts skills, right? Hope I'm not too verbose. But yeah, I'm saying that supposing that things have to be with a certain flow, you should tell me as a farmer, right, that it should at least carry a consistency, right?
True.
So that when you're putting it into the earth, it don't get resisted by the bumps and the things. So I'm just saying.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right. Well, what about that? You think it's there yet, or what?
Yeah, man. I just yeah, man. Perfect.
All right. Well, that's my first one.
Yeah, man. I don't know. So we used to make the spears with ancestors, the Arawaks, you know?
Yeah. So this is
Or the tie-in was.
true. So this is like it's mostly a pile of ones that's already been prepared, right?
Yeah.
So we can put it to it, right?
Yeah, man.
This one looks like it needs to go.
True.
Do this one. Yeah, because ancestral knowledge again, right?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I like this one. It's very, very sturdy.
True. I call it hardwood.
Oh, nice.
So a stick like this will last all 2 more years now.
Oh, I can see. I'm not butcher it and just keep it smooth. Keep a little bit more pointy. Yeah, because the more pointy the tip, the easier it is to enter the earth, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the arrow.
Yeah, yeah.
The spear of good measure. The ladies know what that is. But anyway, it's another story. As we're talking about feeding a nation, feeding a family, right? Feeding a generation. Being able to be consistent in that. Yeah, right?
Nice, yeah, man. Alright, so we're gonna just go and do a couple more, as you can see. So that are the concept. We're gonna spear them, stake them, and then we show now later now how to stick them into the ground. So we'll come back again. Alright, so my wife here there do it.
Hello.
She had jam out the stick them and she jam out them top one here so far while we were sharpening these spears. So we bring up these. Brother Great all there. So now I'm gonna show him now how to jam out a yam stick based on how the elders teach we back in the day. I see him technique, you know?
Yeah,
So, alright.
And like where you place it in relation to where the yams growing on in the mound, you know. That's kind of so you kind of put it on the right. I'm assuming I'm mostly seeing it on the right.
True.
Yeah. So you tell me you kind of have to wet the earth a little and then create a little softening and then
Yeah,
spear
man.
it. And it have to reach a certain depth to kind of have strength, right?
Yeah, it have to go at least about a foot down. So you have to jam it a foot down. So if breeze blow, it not gonna just blow over and pluck up, you know?
Makes sense, makes sense. So we're gonna take in an instruction as you show us, and so we can catch it for ourselves. You know what I mean?
We have to make the last 60 videos. That is a bit of carry when I was.
So that's the point to finish up here. So right now is this line or the new line to do, right? Okay. And you see we have the Irish growing beautifully. So we have to be careful not to step on them. So how we try to do it now is one stick for 2 hills. But the stick have to be a strong stick.
Oh,
So if it's a weak stick, we just put them one each for the hill.
okay.
But from the stick strong, we put it in between 2 hills, in the center here.
So they can serve two hills. Okay.
Yeah. So basically half the amount of sticks we need. Because we get like 300 sticks. It's gonna take a whole heap of time and energy. So we try say 150 stick. And also it spread and share between all of them. So now I take in the water pouring it right here on the center. Make it seep. Pour, make it seep. You don't want it to run away. You want it to go down. So you pour, make it seep. Alright, and that should be enough water for that now. You try to clear the spot where you're working so you don't have much obstacles in your way. So some yam vines, they're ready to go on the stick, as you can see. Ready. So, alright, we'll get a nice stick now we can support. So this is a nice big stick. Wow, there's a tree above us too. So, right, alright. So we don't want to waste this stick because we can just lean up a stick on the tree. That tree above us.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you how to jam one over here. So right now we just have to lean up. I'm sure you see the way. Let me see. So same place where you wet, you jam it down, kind of going on a circular motion. You don't want to make the hole too big.
Okay.
You just want to make space for you to jam it again. And you circle motion slightly. You don't want to make the hole too big and wide, you know. See a 40 leg there.
Yeah.
See it over here, so 40 leg. You see him? See him?
Centipede, yes.
I think we might have caught him.
Yeah, man, so have to be careful too. Because it look like them like hide under the leaves. You don't know, they're poisonous.
That was good because I'm wearing slippers. So.
Yeah, man. So, go on wide a little. See, it gets stuck. It's stuck in it, so that's why you kind of do that circular motion to free it up.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know, you're going to spear the ground, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, I come down with no force, so when you feel it kind of get a little tough, you will just add in a little water, not too much. Just a little tubs. Just to soften because the water never seeps so far.
Mm-hmm.
So down there kind of tough. So the little water, but if you put too much, it will splash out on you if you try to jam it. So little water, I will jam again. Little circular motion. Take it out. You see how far it will go now? So the dirt reach. So almost reach a foot. Alright. Give me one more.
Yeah, guys, kind of getting firm, I can see it.
You know, the last jam you put enough energy. And here, fairly strong.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to take this now. And all of the loose wall now, jam it up. So there's no way for it to flex again.
There's like a sense of sealing it in.
Yeah, man.
Very simple and yet effective, right?
Sure. Yeah, man, because when the time we take them out in a trouble, you know.
I can imagine. So it's almost like you're planting it.
Yeah.
Because I guess if we didn't do commercial yam farming as a people, I guess the yam would just normally run on trees, you know, find little places to go high so that the leaves can get chlorophyll.
Sure.
Alright, so we're gonna attempt to do one maybe on this side and the next one beside it.
Yeah, man, the other one in between the other two. Alright. So we get little water.
So this one, right?
No, this one. Because Yeah, this one serving for these two.
Oh yeah, I remember.
So yeah,
And these are potatoes, so much watch out for this, right?
yeah man.
Alright, so another spot.
Yeah. Try to do it in the center there. I know that try to move these potato out the way. Alright.
You're right, actually, those
You
kind
can go down some more, yeah.
of does seep in for you. Doesn't really run.
Yeah. This soil don't have much clay, no?
Oh. Okay, so let's give it one more. See the center point. Almost like looking for the center of gravity. You can almost see it.
True.
Alright. With the memory of that faulty leg,
True.
try not walk with faulty legs, you know. Look at that. Look at the wings, two leaves.
True. You look like a real Taino spear with some feather on it.
Alright, so
Yeah man, you want to get a good position over the hole too, so kind of, yeah, feel comfortable.
yeah, so not too much, right? Right?
Yeah. Yeah man, kind of just going on a circular motion.
That is probably going to make me more stronger. Alright, let's go on. Switch hands.
Yeah. Kind of really twist the stick in there, just rotate it, rock it, yeah. Go on, good one.
Can I get down?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Still trying to catch the reed. Yeah. Ah, see?
Yeah, man. Oh, cause see, you have to look on the shape of the stick too. Cause see it kind of tilt over that way.
Yeah.
So you kind of want to jam it so.
Yeah.
You kind of straighten it out. Or you could have probably turn it towards the tree. Yeah. Yeah, kind of lean it toward, yeah. So when it get, it will possibly go to the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So they're so good. Oh, how it feel?
Only one.
Yeah, yeah.
This one was just in. Alright. Maybe put it on something. Put more attention.
Yeah, you can take one more. Cause that stick kind of wobbly too, you know.
But it's gone down maybe over 7. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's kind of getting closer to that foot, as you would say. Yeah. Okay, the first one is always a learning curve, right?
Yeah, man. Cause you do better than me, that first one. We get a little splash up just a while ago.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah, man. No, I got jam it
that
now.
was so dramatic, I didn't want to say it, I felt it's funny.
That when you reach you all the way, cause that's why I say use a little bit. Can't reach me enough, you know. Cause if you use a little bit more than a little bit,
Yeah.
I hit that, splash up.
You get like a vacuum.
Yeah.
I mean like a jet. So like a vacuum, you get like a jet. Alright. So, yeah, if you want to know something is firmly planted, it's how it rotates on it. When you, yeah? So it's vibrate on the center. Yes. Alright, so the first one.
Yeah, man, good job, man. Yeah, man. It'll go branch off into the tree too.
That's going to have a nice one.
Yeah. And I saw the vines now below it. Can we just show you the vine same time? Yeah. So I see them where the vine now. It just kind of just wrap it. You know, naturally. But if it can't hold like that,
Yeah.
we tight
Yes, we can
with something, you know? So,
I think this one will work. Once a matter of understanding it slow.
yeah, 'cause I usually like to go to the right. Yeah, and also these now, when this grow up, you can go to that, you know? Yeah, and this can come to that.
I get them slightly introduced to each other. Yeah, guys. You guys gonna be hanging out pretty soon.
Yeah, man.
Actually, this might still have a little way to go, but
Yeah. By
I
a couple of days, it'll go reach long enough for tie properly.
and once you can see the plant has its own intelligence, so I think after a while it kind of knows what it's doing.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of gets into the groove of wrapping itself around.
True.
Alright.
I say I try our next one, you know. Yeah, man, see them clear this spot.
This one I think would be a little bit more experiential.
True.
Alright, let's see what it's about. Yeah, I might be doing some young farming.
True.
I'm gonna exercise something for me.
Yeah, I see him with me. Because I see him where I'm a wife, me say. She plant up 50 yam hill. And I saw me watch her and learn. And say, okay.
Yeah, I think I actually watch that video as well too. On
True.
the channel.
Yeah. Because some say me never see it grow before and how to take care of it. But when me see she go through the process and harvest her yam, I say, this look like something I can do for you. Because a sweet potato me usually do before, you know.
Yeah, for real, I remember the first crop back when I lived in Portland and the Den X. We had a lot of people when you guys came to stay, you guys brought a lot of potato. We did a lot.
True.
A lot of potato.
True. But as some realize a yam, it's so much nicer for work with. Yeah, little more energy, but a good exercise same way.
Yeah.
But the yam itself, it don't need no chemical to survive. You see me? Like how the Irish now need the fungicide for survive.
Also the yam is much more organic than
Yeah, you don't need anything. You just need to plant it on good soil.
one more should be good. And actually I do like yam, so by nature. It's a good yellow yam. White. But I like when it's powdery, dry.
True.
If it's yellow and very moist if it's white. Now one more should be good.
Hey, yeah. Yeah, man. I want to tell you, no strike that, you know.
You think of that bonus.
We get the jamming stick there.
The first one it kinda give me a little beat, man. Like,
Yeah, man. The stick, they kind of tricky too.
yeah. But this one kinda have a lot more. You know, get the rhythm, you know.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with warming up, you know, because people say sometimes nothing's wrong with learning something. We say we feel, but actually we're just learning, so ain't nothing wrong with learning.
True.
Yes. That's why I said if the intellects who think they have learned anything, well, there ain't much of people to watch or listen to, are they? Because what are you gonna learn if they themselves aren't learning? Anything that is closed ain't got no way of being filled or being fundamentally functional. You know, if there's no exiting point for contents to communicate, you know. So as we oscillate and revelate, I'm just having fun. So don't tell me no man. I'm literally just vibe with what I'm saying. I'm really not giving nothing intellectual. I'm just saying get a farm, have a farm, or get into farming if you can, because in a sense they say that we're gonna have farming, but maybe it's artificial, most likely. But if you can do something for yourself, then maybe you can save your family. You know, in the long run, from a lot of stress and suffering. Look at that. Don't you think that works?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and I got the hang of just doing a simple tie. Yeah, look at that.
Alright, yeah, man. Good works. So, well, I'll go and continue and go and stick out, you know. So we get back to you guys later.
So I was saying, brother saying, viewers and subscribers, look up at this amazing halo around the sun, right? It's like, it's a special day. I can't remember when last I actually saw a halo around the sun. You know, normally I always say some kind of special day. Special is varying. It might be good special, bad special. I don't know what's special, but I mean, it means something, right? Because it's not like we've seen that every day. But it's a good day to see. From I woke up this morning, I just knew it was a good day. So I'm thinking this means good. Yeah, man, it's a perfect circle, you know. Hallelujah. These are signs, not that we should all be looking at signs, but I always notice how it looks like there are wave patterns leading up to it, like you're going into a whirlpool. Like, you see that? Yeah, that was like concentric circles of waves.
Yeah.
It was like you're looking over something. So this is also telling me that it's probably like 12 midday. Or it's close to 12 midday too, right? Because the sun is almost directly overhead. Does most people know that means 12 midday? Certainly, at the meridian anyway. Yeah, but it's been good so far. Hi, brother Singh.
Yes, yeah, man, it nice to see this sight in the sky, man. The most I create some wonderful, beautiful things.
Yes, sounds really powerful. Alright. Yeah, there we go.
Man,
I ain't gonna move.
true.
For sure. Yeah, so far it's been going good too, right? We've done maybe like three rows, right?
Yeah, man, we do. Yeah, man, 3 row, 4 row. That move nice, man.
So we move on to the next one.
Yeah, man, moving on.
Moving on. Anyway. Yeah. Right here.
Everybody we at it, you know. Can't video everything because at 24 hours with a record for. So sooner I get soon.
Yep.
Alright, everybody. See it there? Finish. We done stick out this side of the farm. Beautiful. We even have one stick left behind. We finish off extras, so give thanks. See it there? So the vine them will grow up and beautiful, you know. Got the Irish just green and nice. So next time we come, we'll be mounding up the Irish. Make sure and weed out. We go weed out and mounding up. Beautiful, man. Look, they're green and nice. I would have known some dry stick would have look so nice. Yeah, I see sun there. Still have a halo. Beautiful. This is some banana tree we plant long time ago. Them so start bear fruit. Give thanks. Yeah. I will still have some more work for you because now about 2 o'clock. So Just see what great all the pan and tell him what's going on now. Yes, brother, great all. They are children that eat a nice how to eat the apple.
I always get something when I come on the farm, man. Last time was star apple. This time it's apple. Yeah, interestingly, one of the dogs was stuck. You know, my sweet cake that I had for a little special spice up. But nature gave me a lot of this. So I'm just full enjoying this instead of that, which, you know, I no longer have. And it's a fair trade, hallelujah. It's a fair trade, you know. So it's been a good day. Nothing, you know, we got a little bit done, you know. Good amount relative to the amount of time, and yeah, it's kind of good to see that, you know, we did something.
Yeah, man.
Can't wait
That's
to
so
come.
we are give the update took like how we done stick out now. We are go up at the top farm, go dig up some Irish.
Yes, like next level.
Yeah, man, for dinner, you know.
Yes.
Yes,
look,
I.
So look forward to that while I go and full enjoy my Jamaican apple. Trying to utter eat it.
Yes, I.
Oh, you are the rate.
See my wife there pick a grapefruit.
Oh, me can't, I still can't eat it.
Just juke him off, man. Juke.
I let me kill it.
You can do it. Use a tip out and juke him, man. Alright, you're gonna need some help. I'll get back to you now. Careful, you alright?
Yeah.
What the beer drop?
Let's go again. Kind of fun.
But you know, come off like that, you know. Alright, well, I forgot to help her, guys.
Yeah, alright. That was still in
Probably not my really much, but I try to use one technique and see if I can get it done. So this is to cook the wheel on the bottom of the stick. That's a real artist, you know. That's it. You know, right.
But that kind of funny. The car black is hands the funny. Imagine that's how I go right down this.
And roach.
Roach? Yeah. So I like bottom can I go?
I'm just trying to pass the roach color. And pass the hands. Then you know this. Not part of this. It's already.
You sure say the tree is strong enough?
Yeah, man. Roach, them don't know them are doing right. And the yams, them already are roach, so.
Them man a skill, man. Man, one grapefruit. But whole heap of flowers from the tree, you know. And whole heap of small grapefruit a come too. Whole heap of small grapefruit on it. It's a great all a skillfully come off of the tree. Bring them technique of people. Watch them on. That is an experienced climber right there.
Yeah, man. Very fruitful place, man. I would just start, but it was so easy to get like on that tree, like the apple
True.
and the grapefruit. Normally, ants, I was on like black ants. I was on the nest on orange or grapefruit tree. Nothing from ever since. It's just like not to disturb them, that's why I have to come off that way. Going up, you alert them that you're there. And I would say they're the most sensitive set of ants. The black ones, I tell you that.
Oh.
Because if you touch one of them, it's like, let me tell you something about them since we're in this moment. When it comes to black ants, if you encounter them and they begin to crawl over your body, not one of them will bite you. The moment you crush one, all bite you.
Oh.
So they're telepathic. So when I went on the tree, I let them know that there's no harm. But then it became aware that I was there because of the movement. So if I was to come back the same way I went, it would have caused them to rise up. That's why I had to go that way to get away from them.
True.
But it's all good. We don't live alone, And it's not about going on exterminating them, We were once ignorant of things, so maybe we would have just stupid things, but the older you get to realize that they tell you that farming induces pests and such, hence you need to use pesticide, but pests is a way of looking at natural creatures that occupy this place as you do as an unwelcome member of the family. But they're a member of the family and they help the process of the biosphere. Biohumus is helped and is helped in production by the critters, the ants, the wasps, the fly, the mosquitoes, well, maybe not so much mosquitoes, but other creatures that live out in nature. They are equally a part of the existence as we are. They are not pests, There are other sentient beings that occupy here. So next thing too, if you're planting and you kill off all of the biological agent from the soil, the food is unhealthy because it no longer is in sequential alignment with your natural biology. That's why people have a lot of sickness and disease. Many don't want to admit it because it challenges business ideology, because business aren't God, so we don't have to believe in their nonsense. Like we're talking about food off camera. I was saying to you, how my teacher taught me about food is that food is something that nature produces, as our etymology of what food is, right? But when you use food and let's say do a process, right? Then you create what is called a product. Gracias.
Oh. Thanks.
So you produce a thing that is called.
Sweet.
Oh, nice. It's very sweet. Yeah, so we produce a product. So now we call the product food. Or some might even put the addition and say food product, right? But the truth is, the product and the food is two different things. Because the food has been modified, processed into a product. So you go to a convenience store and there's literally no food there. And for some people, what I'm saying is like foreign. What I'm saying is that in your convenience store, in a lot of so-called black communities, there is no food. There is no food.
True.
So I know many people when we take on our retreats, they look at things and they say, oh, you guys will take it for granted. Not that we take it for granted, it's like if you appreciate nature after a while, it becomes a part of you. So maybe you don't sing praises like you are discovering something great, because you already are experiencing that greatness every single day. So when we are in nature, just like you're at home, right? And you get used to the creatures because it's another experience, a deeper experience of life. And Jamaica don't really have any violent creatures per se. So out in the wild, you're not gonna be threatened by anything really. And there's no real wild in Jamaica. Look, I mean, I don't know if the camera can pick it. Look at those green papas all the way under papa. She's one of the tallest papa trees I've ever seen producing papa. Today, the spirit's just showing me a lot of these things. For real. Like, I guess it's just the majesty of God here, man. I think that's what it's about. Because I didn't necessarily have to see that, but But again, it's stuff like that because in the modern world, they try to, reduce the size of the pawpaw tree, right? Papaya, sorry for y'all who say that, papaya, right? They make papayas like, the trees like about yay tall. So you can go and pick them, but that's like Taino style, Hollywood, native papaya.
Tall man.
Many people don't know our native coconut tree. I have one on the property at home. I'm trying to plant it. I'm trying to preserve my great grandfather's legacy. But our native coconuts is called Mandora. And many people don't know what Mandora coconut is. A Mandora coconut is yay big. Yeah. That can fall and bust your head off or do injury. But there's one trick with it though. It's like how the pawpaw tree is tall, the Mandora coconut tree is very tall. If there was one in the valley here, brother Singh, viewer subscriber, it would easily be the tallest tree.
True.
And lots of espionage and trickery in the late 80s, early 90s caused some spraying of our banana trees and our coconut trees, our Mandora coconut after Hurricane Gilbert in 88. So between 88, 89 and 90, they began spraying our coconuts and we lost our native coconut. All the coconut trees. There was one time you were driving along the coast of Portland in Jamaica along the east coast and it was just trees with heads for miles. Miles with trees, coconut trees, just heads. And eventually they planted out with this, what they call the dwarf coconuts. And I remember when they started introducing a shorter variety of the Mandora, like they modified it, and then they started literally doing the dwarf. So it was a shorter version of the Mandora first. If you see me doing this, is the ants, I'm still trying to get rid of them. Yeah, so they had the shorter version of the Mandora. Let's say the Mandora was maybe 60 to 80 feet tall, and the shorter version would be like maybe 45. And then they brought in the dwarfs. The dwarfs were the worst one because Mandora is green and has never changed color when it's ready. However, the dwarf coconuts, right, they come on these trees yay tall again and they're yellow, bright yellow, orange in color. When some don't take to the soil, they go orange and don't develop well. But that yellowy, colory coconut, that's not Jamaican.
Oh.
I can tell you that. It's not original to us. So it don't carry the flavor and the sweetness that we know. And besides, I can tell you one thing, we know growing up, no human that we know could drink off a Mandora. I can't give you an estimate as to how much it holds, but if I can say 16 ounces is a normal size component in nature, 9 to 16 eighths and those things. So I would say it would probably be about 32 ounces.
True.
Yes, it would be like a super size. They call it super size in America. It would be 32 ounces.
True.
Large. So it's good. Let me taste this before we. Good man.
Sweet and nice one.
Sweet man. Everything else probably tastes good. Everything. I don't know if you know, I'm very skeptical about grapefruit. And I didn't want to buy it. It compelled me. Yeah. It's like orange juice quality. And everything here just grows so naturally. You know what I mean?
True.
The breadfruit on the tree. The ackee. And the avocado, the pear, or we call it star apple. You know what I mean? Papaya. I mean, we cannot imagine. People would say, over time, the adversaries against the kingdom of righteousness. Well, what they have done naturally or unnaturally is remove a certain food diversity, right? In America, you'd call what is here, because we have the farm portion, right? But you also have the on-farm portion, or the syncotropic farming, or a food forest. That's another way to call it. There are many words that, the intellectual terms, but it just really means that within a certain space of natural land, where the human has an input, you put food trees in. as opposed to ornamentals and allowing shrubbery to get out of control completely without having the food tree. So along the lines, I can tell there's walls, because I can show them dimensions. Along the walls, there are fruit trees. So in the open spans, you have where they farm. But along the barriers and the boundaries of the farm are the fruit trees. And it's not chaotic, as you can see. It's a human design. It's easily noticeable because the trees are in alignment with each other. That's another human sign. See, they go again all along there, up along the line. The star apple tree, the apple tree, the mango trees, and they go right up. And up in that now, you got tons of mango trees and all that, right? And then you got like space here where you can put in your yams, your Irish potatoes, and your bananas, and anything else you really want to put. You know, you got the cows grazing. So it's like what we're saying is like a food forest. We're saying, you would say, you don't see no human installation here. This is like a forest or out on the farm. But if it had a dwelling, you would say it's a homestead, right? Because there's no dwelling, you wouldn't say it's an homestead. So you'd say it's a food forest, because along with the natural environment, the human has implanted a food solution along with the farmer as well. So what I'm saying about the food solution, I'm saying these don't need tending to along the line.
True.
I took a while to get to that, but that's what I'm saying. It don't need tending to, and I am alluding to the fact of the maybe that's why these things are so sweet. That, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's nature.
True.
But your grandparents were smart enough, right, to put this in place, right? Our grandparents. So like same up on my mountain as well. We have more mangoes though, akis and bananas, and like peas and such. But yeah, good stuff.
Yes, I can see the sun there. After 2 now. Nice day out, you know.
That's for sure.
So soon again soon. Yeah, brother Great All, we're up at the top, you know.
Blessing, man.
The first place we share the Irish them.
Yes, actually.
Cause the last time we come here, enough of them did a flourish. But as you can see, some of them dry down. Like it dry. But 1 and 2 survive. So all of these spots now where the Irish dry up, we just have to dig them out and take out the Irish, because we still have Irish underneath.
Okay, so basically, in a sense, we're harvesting them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. They're probably not at the best level, but we're still harvesting them, so it's not too like lose them.
Yeah, man. And even probably some of the big Irish, them we just root up them same way to you, man.
Well, it would be nice if you go ahead and start first.
Yeah, because you can see the place I go start bush up soon. You know?
We've got a lot of good rain.
Yeah.
Even on my side in Kingston, St. Andrew, Blue Mountains, it's been raining a lot. Well, on and off. But yeah, looks like it's been raining down here as well too.
True. Yeah, man, enough rain. And that Irish not do good with rain. Too much rain.
Oh, okay. No,
It like more sun and a little bit of rain.
Like I was saying.
So the whole heap of rain, it cause it for burn down. So they must say it's supposed to get sprayed with their fungicide. Because like a fungus take over the plant and destroy it.
Oh, so the fungus grow up with a lot of rain.
Yeah.
Well, it's nature.
Yeah, man, so I'll make you hold this and I'll show you. I'm going to dig up one. So we're there at the edge here. See where it dry down. Root it up. I have a little one still on it. So you know, so this is the direction we're going now. And see it there. Food for dinner. Yeah, man, so you know, you make sure you kind of dig into it, make sure there's none no left behind. When you see side clear, cover it back. And you can even bring it up higher under the yam hill to kind of remount the hill.
The hill has to be nice.
Yeah, man.
Give some space for the yam, eh?
So as you kind of disturb them, the bottom of them roots, same time you build them back.
Okay.
You kind of aerate it too. So more nutrients and more air, you know? More space to breed as well
Yes.
and grow.
Yes.
Because the looser the soil, the more space the yam can freely grow.
Can
But if
imagine.
it tight, it go like more round up and more stunted growth.
So it has less of a valuable yield.
Yes, I.
Probably just good again to make yam heads.
Yeah, man. So see it, we have here 2 Irish for dinner.
So far.
Yeah, man. And we just have to bag them up as we go along. So you don't know, as you can see, even this, you can see that this is dying. You see it?
Yes, you can see it has had better days.
Yeah, man. So
For
same
real.
way, we just have to take it up same way, because eventually it will come.
Yes.
So make we just harvest it. See it there? Food. Yeah, make sure check. Sometime a 1, sometime a 2, sometime a 3.
Well, I've never seen Irish potato planted or harvested in person, so for me it's a learning experience. So
So,
I'm sure for a lot of people as well too, right?
yeah, man, you know. Yeah, I mean, nice now. Food again, can you see a little sprouting. So if you want, this can plant back, you know, this can be the seed that is planted back, and you get back this plant again and more come.
Oh, nice.
Can you see it has sprout? Cause it died on top, so it has sprout.
Fresh.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Alright.
I think I got the flow. Let me see if I can get this one on the corner here.
Alright, so brother, great all I gotta do on you know. Okay, that part that was coming off was the part that attached to the plant. You know? The little piece that was,
Coming on.
yeah.
So I guess this one is so small. It's
Yeah,
like
man.
literally it's like a seed. Let's see if it's a simple one or a big one. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ah, nice.
Okay, I used to look if there's more, right?
True.
Let me see. No, there's a clump right there. Well, I think I looked.
Yeah, man. You can see the yam root not reach to that part yet, you know? So we not disturb the yam roots. So give thanks for that. Because the first time I do this method, you know? So it look like it will work nicely.
Alright, so let me just go through and go on.
This done too?
Yeah, that can cook too, you know? The little one here. But it is like it was developing just new birth. See growth all there, you know. Wow. Them nice, you know. And the dirt so nice and loose, it's just nice to dig into it. Just to find some nice treasures. Nice. Watch them on. Nice.
Farming is awesome.
That's one hashtag. Farming is awesome.
Absolutely.
You know, quote, great old quote. Farming is awesome. Let's see it there. Nice. Okay, you can see some man, it need like 1 more month or like a couple more weeks, 3 more weeks
True.
of proper growth and development.
To be its best self.
Man, I will give thanks to learn from this side.
Yes.
That's why the other side is much better.
True, true. I mean, it's like a learning experience, right?
Yes, I. Because apparently,
I'm finding the right way of foot careful, yeah?
Yeah, man. Vine on my foot, I'll be careful. It's a great old fine and nice one. That one is circular.
Yeah, bro.
Alright. Come on.
Next one also.
Nice. I'm gonna create a shadow in the camera. It's still. Yeah man, might as well. And just free up your son done here man. Collect some food and go home. Cause same way, if we leave them too long under the ground, rat will come and start.
Cause it's food, right?
Yeah man, feast upon them.
They go for dinner. That's it, that's it.
At the same time, my wife family have a cookout tomorrow. And them have a plan for use the Irish too. To make some, what you call it?
Potato salad.
Potato salad. So see it there? We have to harvest a couple Irish well. Alright, great old day on the floor. So find nice treasures under the ground. I'm gonna go help now and let go the camera and continue. Blessings. Yes everybody, the day I finish and now see it there. The sun gone over the hill. We dig up whole heap of Irish, one bag of Irish. If you can see inside here. Whole heap of Irish man. Nice bag, you know. It's a great old day, you know.
It's a very good day. We give thanks, you know. And to see that we reap so much Irish actually to my fingernail, you know. Yeah, change color. New experience because I never done that. So I would give thanks. And I would invite anyone basically to come and, you know, spend some time doing this because it's worth it. Or do your own farming. Get a little garden plot in the back of your home or lease a plot. Or start it in a pot on the ledge, in the driveway, in the backyard, in the little alley, you know, on the window box. Yeah. So, and the next time I just want to say give thanks for the experience right here, you know, with the Singh family. So it was really cool, you know. Give thanks, brother Singh.
Yes, brother, great all. I give thanks for your presence there, man, your help, your presence and the journey with we. You don't know this kind of new to it too, you know. We give thanks you there with the help, you know.
I must say one of the days it might be that I might be doing this as well too. Certainly in the sense of I've talked about it, you know, with the princess, you know, like in terms of doing some farming, hallelujah. And I wasn't really like, when I was younger I liked farming, but then as I got older, you know, I got into my life, so. But as I'm getting older now, I think I wanted to have a restaurant, but now I think maybe more like it's better to have a farm than a restaurant. At least you know where the food is coming from. Yeah, grow your own food. At least you know that your medicine is your food and your food being your medicine because you plant it. And if you can nurture it with time, then nature and God does the rest, right? Yeah, man, give thanks.
One blessings, man, and perfect love. See my wife there. Cheer with up on the farm and God and him angels, you know. And see fire blaze. Yeah, man.
The whole team.
Yeah, man, a nice team, man, cause enough work to do, man. We finish stick out over there, so. We go up there, so. Go dig up a whole heap of Irish, one bag of Irish. Enough works to deal with, man. So soon again in the next one. Perfect love.
Perfect love.
Blessings. See my wife, I tell you, boy.
We used to them by
Alright. Yes, I.
That's it, Ramon.